Hello. Okay, you can hear me. Is that an emoji like someone is crying? I don't even understand it. Okay, if you can hear me, can you just type in the chat? Like, let me just say yes, I can hear, so I can just move on. Okay, can you see my screen? How about now? Can you see it now?
Yes, you see. Yeah, yes, you can see your screen now.
Okay, perfect. So, sorry about that. Smile. Okay, so we are trying to solve this question, and we have actually listed our data here, right? And we're using this formula, very simple formula, right? So
It's
now,
blank. Your screen is blank.
really, can anyone see my screen apart from that person?
I
It's not
can see
blank
your
actually.
screen actually.
I can see it.
I can see your screen.
It's blank. You can see Excel, right? Everything I'm showing now. Guys.
Yes, can see Excel.
Okay, thank you.
Excel.
So now,
It does not, it's not me.
okay, so from this formula, right?
Eh, because you had
Person can
Okay, we can see now. We can see it now.
okay, thank you very much. Okay, so let's continue, right? So we have this question to solve, and this is what we are doing. So now, if you look at this now, I said the formula is the price game plus the coupon payment divided by the purchase price multiplied by 100%, right? So now, what we're going to do now is I said 1,000 plus 1,000 multiplied by 100 divided by the, this is what I want to do. So do you know why I have this 1,000 here? And do you know why I have this 1,000 here? Somebody want to ask something?
Yes, one of the 1,000 is the price gain.
Okay,
When
so
you do 10,000 minus 9,000, to get the price gain is selling price minus purchase price,
that's price
which is 10,000 minus 9,000.
1,000. Perfect. So for you to get to know your selling, yeah, for you to know your price game, right? For you to know your price game is equals to the selling price minus the purchase price. This person know it all for very well. So it's great. So that is when you now do 10,000 here, right? You have 10,000. You have 10,000, which is the selling what? The selling. You sell it at so 10,000 naira. 10,000 minus the 9,000, right? Then it will give you 1,000. That is where I got that money from. Yet, so let me just put this one side here so that we'll continue from here. So when we have this, right? So this is going to multiply by 100%, right? So we have it multiplied by 100%, then divide by, so let me divide this thing by what? We said divide by initial investment,
9,000.
right? We are going to divide it by what?
Divided by 9,000.
9,000.
Divide it by
The
9,000.
purchase price.
We'll divide by 9,000. So with this now, we now have 2,000, right? We have 2,000 divided by what? 9,000. So 2,000 divided by 9,000. 2,000 divided by 9,000 multiplied by 100%. 100%. So we now divide it. So if this is equals to 2000 now divided by 9000, right? We now have this. So this is this answer here, right? Multiply by 100%. What did I get? This multiply by 100, or I just said this value here, since it's Excel, I change it to percentage, then I now have this. So what I have here now is what, 22%. So that's the answer for that, 22%. By the time you convert this now, you have 22%. If I check decimal point, if I have like decimal point here, I have like 2, then I have 22.22%. So that means you have answered this question. That's the answer. So the answer here, the question they asked you, like, they wanted to know what is the holding period return, what is the holding period return for this bond to get. So when you do that, you now have this to get. So the total return of 22% comes from what the two sources and your. But do you have any of you have any suggestion whether the answer has to we have six? You have to go for that. So this is the answer. So the HPR for this is what 22.22% finished. You have solved that question, and that question is 12 marks. Like, if you see this question, I know you'll be happy.
How are we going to be happy? I don't even understand what you just said.
Please, if you don't mind, I think the formula you should just put it, with the values that we understand, because I know the formula is price gain plus coupon
Okay.
payment over
And so this is
purchase
one
price
payment.
times 100, so that most people can understand it here. Like, I went through the material, that's why I understand it.
Mhm. So is this you said the formula is what?
Finally, which one is the formula?
Price.
Is it the income received plus capital
No,
gain
that's
on
what I'm
loss?
saying.
He
Let's
wants to
so
change
same
this. He
thing.
wants to change it now. The
So
formula is
this
HPR is equals to price
price gain
gain
plus coupon payment
plus coupon pay
divide by purchase price multiplied by.
divided by purchase price times 100. Yes.
So this is the formula.
Price
It's
gain plus
straightforward.
coupon
So
payments.
so for you to now get
Please,
your
can we see the question so that I can?
so for you to get your price gain is selling price minus purchase price. See the question there. Mr. Let us say Madam Z has invested in a bond of 90,000.
You'll be fine, Bukola. Don't worry.
So that is
I'm avoiding calculations like a
and
plague.
so there are other questions there that does not involve calculation. So focus on them. But for
But they mostly tell them what's it called? Answer 4 questions. What's happen? 4 questions every time.
yes, it's for question and you're a master student.
So I bet this is adult education. Oh. Since when I don't come on school.
Okay, so that's that particular question. And we have solved it. And we are good to it. So
Who are the we that solved it, Fanning? Fanning.
10 questions are waiting, 12 marks are waiting for you already.
Hey
So
God.
why don't you edit the given data so that most people can understand? Once they can
Okay,
understand, they can break down the questions into given data. Because we don't always we most times it will appear with how it's appearing in number 3. If we had given data, this is this, it's easy. You
so
Please,
understand where I'm coming from? But most
so
times it will be in this
um,
so the
formula.
Fanning.
eh? So the given
Please, is
data
it
that you gave,
possible?
what is actually like, is it not correct?
Fanning, please, a question.
This is a question.
I want to ask a question.
Okay, okay.
Please, is it possible I copy what's on your screen down?
You want to copy,
Yes, that's how I can understand it because it's kind of scattered on your Excel sheet. So, can I quickly copy it down before you go on, please?
but okay, because this solution is actually in
Please,
this
can I see the question again?
This is actually here. What you bought. What you already have access to this,
No. Please remove that one first. Remove.
right? You have this purchase price.
Where did this one come from again?
This is what you already have access to now. Like what I sent you
Mm, mm.
already. So this is the question here.
Show me your screen. Gong. I beg.
Okay.
Let me see the question.
See the question here. Question number 3.
Okay. This what's it called? The solution is there as well.
In that what?
In the one you sent.
Yes. This is the
It's
same. This solution is there.
okay.
Okay. The first question paper